Had to do it, bro. Had to do it. I was in the mood. I was in the mood. Wait, offline and online? It is just fun to like just say something stupid sometimes. It's just fun. How are you doing, brother? How are you doing? Having a good day? Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Okay. Nice, nice. Also, Reg, just before you say anything, right? Oh, no problem. No problem, bro. It's good? Which one is it? Which one is it? Which RAM you got? Yeah, that's actually good. You got it done. Is Amazon is pretty fast in there, right? Did you got it through Amazon and stuff? Oh, Kingston is good. 8 GB, 24. Oh, okay, nice. DDR5? Nice, nice, bro. This is good. Like 8 GB, DDR4. Okay. Still good. Like if your oh, laptop is old. Okay, got it. Then motherboard won't support. Makes sense, makes sense. You know, interestingly, um once you build your first computer at least once, it's like, okay, nice. That's not bad at all, man. That's not bad at all. That's actually great. I don't remember mine, how I got it. That's actually great, bro. Good stuff. Oh, that's good. You got a good discount on Amazon? Bro, this is here, it's like 5,000. So $102, that's like 5,000. Oh, what? Oh, Ghost. Yo, what's up, bro? Thank you for following. Is that a new account? Is it our own Ghost? Our big guy? I'm doing good, man. How are you? I'll just put this up so it's easy to see. Nice, nice. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Let's do. Nah, new Ghost. Oh, okay, nice. Welcome to the family, man. Here, join our Discord and let's get ready to rumble. We'll do our Leetcode 150 problem. First one we are doing is word pattern. Radhe Radhe. Did you check new AI, by the way? Kimi China new AI. I haven't checked AI much recently. I was like just busy with like the BBX language. Business. Yeah, you guys already know, dude. Like this one, BBJ is like crazy. It's just another level. It's like, what to say? This language is like sucks, honestly. This one is like so terrible. If a language if a language has array starting from 1, you know the language sucks from day 1. Like it's just crazy. You know what? At least a good part is I get to touch Python every day with this. No, I don't. No. So we'll start with this. Get ready, and we'll start with our word pattern because we have 2 problems to do today, and we'll try to complete it fast because I need to sleep early so I can come early in the morning. It's very hard some days. Okay, so problem number 290, word pattern. Easy one again, hash map, right? Given a pattern and a string S, find if S follows the same pattern. This is like regex almost. Okay. Here, follow means a full match such that there is a bijection between a letter in pattern and a non-empty word in S. Specifically, each word in pattern maps to exactly one unique word in S. Okay. Each unique word in S maps exactly to one letter in the pattern. No two letters map to the same word, and no two words map to the same letter. So we have to do the same like yesterday. Two different conditions. So A, B, B, A. So let's say A belongs to dog, B belongs to cat, B again belongs to cat, and this belongs to dog. So it's true because if A maps to dog and B maps to okay. Let's see the example. Next example. A, B, B, A. Dog, cat, cat, fish. False, because dog and cat cannot belong to two different one. A. So this is like we have done before yesterday. So it should be fast. False again, right? How we'll do it? We'll create a hash map. White. So we have a hash map, right? Whatever character we are getting, let's say A, we map it to a letter if it is there, right? We check if it is mapped. Let's say if it is not there, we map it, and if it is there, let's see if it is mapped to the same one or not. And we have to do it for the other way around as well, for the word A, B, C, whatever the dog was. Dog, need to map it to A. If it's not mapped, map it to A. If it is mapped, make sure A is mapped, right? So let's say here I put dog. Okay, it's pretty simple, should be easy. So we'll go create a map. We'll create two maps because I in a sentence, right? This is is also like it can happen, right? So map pattern, map P, let's say, and then map A, and this should be done within ON almost, and N being like the number of what's this called, letters in S or in pattern actually. For I in S, we have to couple of things we have to do is like we need to get an array of first list of S, because if there are so many spaces, we need to remove all the spaces and get a list, right? So S being the string, so we need to get a list because it would be easier, trust me. String to list whatever you want to do, there is almost replace AI is best at naming things. Really? Oh yeah, it's hard to name things though. Yeah, that's actually is a good problem, honestly. Okay, with the split, we will get it. So split is a good one. List S, list of S is equal to S dot split based on spaces. So for I in so I being the length of, let's say, first we have to match, right? Length of list, length of this list, and all the characters in the pattern, they have to be equal length. So if, because if they are not, like, it's not going to match from starting. Length of pattern return true or false actually. So for I in this length as well, let's say list underscore S, if first we check checking for first we will do this match. A belongs to dog, so which is like pattern to string. If oh, you're done? Damn, bro. You I'm talking to. You can't say that. Get whatever is s, so string that I. Yo, what do you? Why are you laughing, bro? So if it is it's already available in the map, right? If it is none, it will go in the next one. If it returns something, map p s dot get phi, if it is equal to whatever is the word in the list. Sometimes it's just fun saying stupid stuff and laugh someone. Okay. I see you, boy. I see you. You are in that mood today, huh? You are in the mess with me mood. I will mess you with you, don't you worry. If it is not equal, then return false. Else so this will become whatever is the word in the list. We have to do the same, but for map p will become map s, s of I will become list of s. Okay. Rajeshwar, what's up, bro? Howdy ho, bro. How you doing? And last one being just if everything ends well. True. Bro, by the way, and reply to the email by any chance. Actually, so the email said like just get things done, right? So you can download, right? And make sure when you're downloading for the first time, take the screenshots so that I can show them, because they said like till the campaign is not done, they can't do anything. But once the campaign is done, you can they will look into it. So I'll give you that. And if you can, right? If you can, do me a favor, try to make an account in US or Canada. Right? I think that's the easy one to track. Here's the link. So when you go to this link, I can just show you quickly. VPN and even like actually the Google Play account or App Store account, I think you can change the region there as well. Right? So just when you scan this, the game Heroes of History will download. Make sure you're already connected to that one. Like the account itself, the region is there. Hopefully you are able to scan it, right? I'll remove it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'll show it later, but yeah, once you download it, keep playing, right? Things I'm also playing, so hopefully I can make money and do a better giveaway. Okay, nice. That's good. Thank you. So oh no, length, range. Yeah. Which question? Oh, we are doing pattern problem number 290 pattern from like top interview top 150. Here you go, bros. So if anybody else wants here too, here. And this should be good this time. Shouldn't be any problems. First one, false. Output expected true. Why is it false? Let's see. So we have a dog cat. So a not there gets it. Dog not there gets a. Print. Let's see why there is error. Oh, my bad. Okay, I see. First of all, I'll change this because this could be a bit. So range goes here. Oh. Pattern M S is a not S pattern, my bad. This should be pattern. How did the other one passed? My bad. Dog A B A B. Yeah. Okay, remove this print. Should be good to go now. Okay, beats 100%. I beat your wrench. I beat your solution, mate. I beat your solution. 100% for me. 100%. That includes you. Ha. Nah, I'm not checking Discord. No, I'm not checking. I'm not checking that. I beat 100%. That's all that matters. Today is a good day, man. Today is a good day. I love messing with you sometimes. It's a good day. Okay. Now let's go on the next problem. It's one of those very, very odd days, man. Odd even days. Is it like in Delhi? Is odd even still a thing where like you can like happens once in a year or sometimes in a year when you can only on odd day you can only drive cars ending with odd number? Oh, it's done. That one failed successfully. Only in Diwali season? I had no idea. That's interesting. Well, like Diwali thing cannot even be like the pollution is not even with crackers. Majority of it, we know what's going on. They just don't want to bring out because it will go against their political agenda. So whatever. But yeah, what do we care if nobody listens to us anyways? So what we'll do is do our. They didn't do because they rolled water thrower. What the? Oh. So like the artificial rain? Oh yeah. The pollution was pretty low, even though it was high. A lot it just measured as low. I see. That's interesting, man. That's interesting. So the AI is pretty low in the government. Dude, the whole every single thing is like interesting in this government right now. Not just this government, every government. So no odd even. Gotcha. Okay. So now let's go back to our Leetcode. Valid anagram. Annabelle. Valid Annabelle. That's also the AQI scam. Like there is no restriction on how the people are burning crops, or like even with the crackers, there is no proper check. People are going to burn crackers. Make sure they are like good crackers, easy to available, right? It's like there is alcohol available everywhere. Even you can ban it, but first it's hard to get if you properly ban it. Second, even if you actually like banning is not helping, make sure these are good ones which are like kind of eco-friendly, less pollution, blah blah blah. So many things can be done in the right way, but everybody wants to take the extreme way and fail successfully. It's interesting. But you know what? We can talk about that after too. Let's go on valid anagram, and let me know if you want me to do another one, the two sum problem, which is an interesting one and very I've seen people this being asked. Yeah, let's lock in, baby. Let's lock in. So given two strings S and T, return true if T is the anagram of S or the Annabelle of S or S. I have no meaning of anagram. Anagram is a word or a phrase found by rearranging the letters of a different word or a phrase using all the original letters. Oh, so it's like the Voldemort thing. Tom Riddle. Do you guys remember the? So lads, this is what anagram means. That's actually funny. I can't report this. What do you mean, nope? See this, see this. This is anagram right there. Here. Tom Marvalo Riddle. That's actually a funny name, man. Tom Marvalo Riddle. And he says, see, I am Lord Voldemort. This is sound up. Do you want to start again? How much up? It's Max, man. Yeah, okay, you got it now, right? Well, if they started doing that, how will the minister of our country will send their kids to foreign countries? That's a good one. That's a good one, man. That's a good one. Dude, that's actually a good one, Ghost. Let me put this up so other people can see as well. I got it. Yeah. Okay, so now we got anagram, and actually Ghost, you know what? GG's on that one. That's actually a good one. If they start making the country better, how will they justify sending their kids to foreign countries and flex? That's a good one. That's actually really good. Okay, going back. So we have to make sure anagram nagaram is same. Rat and car are not same. So I think again this is like very much hash map problem, right? What we can do is quickly see if, let's say, there is a hash map, right? For every letter, let's say if A is present, it will start with 1. If B is present, start with like 1, but then A comes. Let's say if the word is ABA, this will become 2. So this will be our hash map, and we have to check BAA. Is it? We can either create another hash map, but let's say if we use the same hash map, right, we can reduce it by -1 every time we encounter, and then -1. And then we can get all the keys if the key, if there are key which is bigger than 0, or if it is -1 other than 0, if there are key other than 0, then it's not an anagram. That's one way, and I think that's a good way. That's the easy way, right? Because that's one other one which is actually a little bit more longer, in my opinion, or like memory consumption, is that if we create one for first word, then another one for, let's say, second word, where it was A becomes 2, right? Then we try to match it. Okay, how much is A? How many of V's are there? That's one way, but I think this one is faster because we are only taking one and then we are just doing the nums of this instead of comparing, going over all those. Right? You guys with me? You guys with me? And honestly, I feel like I'm getting better by just coding here instead of VS Code and no IntelliSense, whatever it is. So if we have S and T, right? Create a map. So map H map. Awesome. Cheers, mate. Oh my god. In S, for every character in S, if S of I in H map, then H map S of I plus equals 1, else H map S of I equals 1. Now, first we did it for the first one. Oh, we are not doing S of, this is not range. Okay. If I in H map, because I is the element, right? I is the, if I in T, whatever is T, in T -1, else return false, right? If it reaches here, get, let's say, keys is equal to hmap dot keys, right? If it gets all the keys, right, we try to see check if list is there a faster way? So any method, the any function is the most concise and efficient method. Any function takes an iterable like a list as an argument. It returns true if at least one element in the iterable is true T. No, that won't do the job. Pipework, what's up, bro? Howdy, howdy. Other than 0, because any, I just want to see, will any cover? Will any check? So if it is 0, Okay, let's try then. Oh, thank you, mate. Thank you. I'm just questioning, like, so, non-zero. I'll check in a second, boss. But I want to see. So it will do. Okay, so any will do actually. That's interesting. I had if any in this list keys is true, return false, else return true. Right? This should do the job. Or this should be I. Yeah, thank you, boss. Thank you, Ghost. Anagram, it returns false. I want to see the list now. ANGRM. Oh, values. Not keys, values. My bad. So we should be good now. Yep. Beautiful. Let's say instead of an test case, I do Anagram. Let's try this. Rama. Okay, pass. Beautiful. Now let's go back to this. Beautiful. Okay. Sweet. So we can submit this. So it's basically almost like a lambda function they are using. Beats 72%, but some people are actually doing it way better. I need to find a way to make it faster. I think there is a way. You know, if we are checking in the second one, if there is one, if it goes below 1, right? Here. I won't leak my secret. I see. If in HMAP, I equals less than won't even possible, but okay, less than equals 0, return false. How about this for submission? And I'll remove this thing. This should even do without like the logic. This is, wait, hold up, what? Okay, if I just comment this out, still working fine, I believe. Passed all those, right? Now let's see. Null. Oh, okay. This one should work. ABA. No, it has to check for that. No, makes sense. Because there is one also still there. Okay. With this if condition, it's just making it little bit slower. Faster in generally. If there is one with... Oh, wait. Hold up. Sorry, one second. One thing to check is S and T should be of equal length, right? That was stupid by me. If T, so that is false, but like I'm just thinking, if I want to remove this, and if I had that -1, I'm thinking of a case where let's say the length is same, right? A, B, C, and A, B, A. So A, B, C, it will become -1. So it will like return. It will work if I remove. What if I do A, B, C, and this is just A, B. C will still be 1. So I need this logic still. Need a. Is there something you guys think I can improve, make this improvement? Because currently what our algorithm is still like is pretty good, because we are going over the S once, then we are going over T once, and then we are just like going over the length of the, let's say if they both are same, so the length of the keys, again let's say S or T, whatever, doesn't matter, they both have to, all have to be of equal length. T is equal to S, so, or basically n, let's say if all are n, so 3n O of n, right? This is still good. O of n is good, but I want to at least remove this one. If we can, I want to remove this last length one, right? Do you guys think there is a better, like, what could be a better solution, faster one? Let's look at maybe the community answers. Do you guys have anything, or should I look at the community solutions? Easy solution in Java, Concur. Okay, Anagram. That the top right. Oh, 26 letter array, since all complexity ON. Yeah, the picture is from another problem, man. The guy tried, but I don't think it worked. Like this one, his one is way longer. I don't think his one does. I want to see who is like at top 1%. ON I have too. And this guy did it in 2 lines in Python, I guess. Yo, Wrench, quick question. What was your like reach when it comes to submission? Like, what was your runtime? Like, better than 11 milliseconds? Or something like almost better? You know, you can filter my. What? Filter by language? Oh! No, I don't want to filter by language. But I want to see like how who got like, you know, like is beating by almost 1%. Let's say if I just do Python 2 or Python 3, that's fine. But I want to see who's doing like really, really good. Sort by most votes, maybe. 5 lines. What do you guys... Sort and dictionary. There's sort, sure, but I know. Sorting is like longer. Everybody's at ON. Can anyone reach like faster than 90 memory usage, less than 100%? Okay. Collection default dictionary int. Okay. did the same thing as me. Class, okay, 4 milliseconds. Wow, man. So your one boss, let's see your solution. But this guy, he has 98% and he's just doing things using the collection one. He's not doing something which is like, better in terms of solution for me. Like, I have to say that. Okay, let's see your one boss. Thank you, Rajeshwar, for sending this though. So class, solution, object, define, word pattern. Yes. Yes, yes. Set, J is this. Yes. Yes. Okay, okay. Can't you just use the set to check if both the string has same alphabet? But it has to be the same frequency too, right? It has to be the same frequency. Is it checking that? 290. Is this 290? I have no idea. Word pattern. What was word pattern? I forgot the problem. 1 second. He follows a full match. Oh, why this is wrong for word pattern? I can explain. So we have pattern in this, right? ABA and BC, you don't. Yeah. I don't need to check. This is for 290 or 240, whatever we were doing, 242. Ghost, which one is it for? Okay, Rajeshwar, give me, I'll focus on your one quickly. So you see, pattern and your solution only checks the same number of unique symbol. It doesn't verify the pairing. Yeah. So the whole thing is your one. If let's say I take your solution. Wrong. Anagram one. Okay. Give me 1 second, bro. I will help Rajeshwar and then I will look into your suggestion. I think you are onto something as well. Okay. Okay. So define word pattern self, this thing, right? Pattern set, this set, length. So the thing is, let's say here, what we want, right? What we want is let's say if the solution is A, B, B, A, right? And the string given to us is cat, dog, dog, cat. Is this for the same one? Oh, word pattern, yeah. No, so what it's saying, right? So A matches to cat, right? And B matches to dog. But if, and this would be correct, this solution is correct. They are a match. In this case, they are a match. But what your solution is not checking is if the thing given to us, if the, what's this called? If the string given to us is, let's say, cat, dog, cat, dog. Technically, with your solution, it will still match. With your solution, it will still match, which is wrong. It should not, because it should be cat is then mapped to A is mapped to cat and dog, and B is also mapped to cat and dog. A should only be mapped to cat, and D should only be mapped to dog. That's the problem. You see it? And did you understand, Rajeshwar? the issue? Hopefully it did, right? Okay, and Ghost, ABA and ABC, let me pause the ads so you don't get the ads. ABA and ABC, you don't need to check any further if they if set are not same. Let me open in here. That's actually right. Wait, no. No. It has to be rearranged properly. So reason why your one set one I don't think will work is because, let's say you are saying A, B. Yeah, the order has to be mapped. Yo, Anshu, Ram, bro. Ram. Yeah, it should be matched. And Ghost, okay, so A, B, A, and then A, B, C. If we create a set, it won't match, but I'm just thinking, okay, two string, it should be also like, the frequency of A and B as well, because let's say if the solution is, let's say, technically with your one, this will match too, but it should not because the frequency of B is wrong, right? Do you get that? Because whole point is I should be able to rearrange every single one of them. Face light karo kuch bhai, people want to see your cute face. Thank you, bro. I'll get some lighting done properly. I'll put one here on the wall. Thank you. Have you seen that meme? Where is it? Here. I just saw it. You will live in my head rent free, man. Girls after being called pretty 10 times a day. Boys remembering that one time someone called them handsome years ago and it's not their mom. Bro, this is true though. This is true. This is true though. Oh, you are saying check frequency after checking the map. Oh, I see. Bye, I will remember that too. Oh, dude, that is nice though. It feels nice, bro. It feels nice. 100%. Okay. So now, Ghost, what you are saying is check the map. Sure, I think you know what. Actually, that's a good way to like get rid of the old ones, right? Yeah. Okay, bye, bro. Have a good one. All the best with your studies, mate. Let me know how you're doing in the private. Like, everything going good? We need to catch up with a call soon. So, let's say S set S set T. Oh wait, I can do this way. If I have set of S, I can do the. Gotcha. Hopefully the L is removed soon, man, and you are stress free. Hopefully soon. Hopefully ASAP almost. S and then there is T. This is what you are saying, right, Ghost? Actually, like, let's see. Oh. Yeah, that's actually a good check. That's a good check. And I can remove even mine one, right? I can remove this one then. And this one beats again 5%. Oh, the map is taking like a lot longer. Makes sense. But that's actually a good check, 100%. That's actually a nice check. Need to find a way to do things faster. And with the... But I think like there is no other way I have seen, even with people doing 98%. It's just they are using a different... what's this called? Is it... It's not saved. No. Beating 5%. How come it's almost beating 5% now? After beating like... Huh. Interesting. Like at this point I'm doing BS. There is no like, it's not improving my code quality. It's just I'm arranging so things take less time. That's all it is. Yeah, it's going to be not going to be different much. The first one was 11 seconds, 11 milliseconds, and 72%, which is this, which is also wrong, honestly. Length, checking the length. Checking just the length is taking so much time. That's crazy. Like if I just do this, then it beats so many more. That's again same. Holy, okay. I can't check this. Like there, everything is just ON at this point, right? Like everything is just ON, and it's O3N. If I can go back to O2N, that would be a good difference. Is it going O2N? Okay. Okay. Approach time complexity O2N. PQ for I. Yes. Oh, can I? Okay. I didn't know if we can do maps like this comparison. Okay, so if I have S and then I have a map for T. Map, hash map comparison. Equality operator does that. Okay, that's actually good then. And how time complexity of this is? This is O and what time complexity of hash map comparison is ON. Okay, my case might be O4N then, because hash map values, that would be more. It should be O6. It's O1. It's O1. Okay, let's try this, what this guy did, right? Let's try this for a second. T plus equals 1. I'm actually now almost curious now. I'll just keep this as hash map. If let's see this. Oh. yet. I should read errors properly. What now? N. Wait, hmap this keyword N. What? What? Keyword N. Oh, this. Okay. Okay. I love their interface though. There is nothing I'm going like making it better, right? Nothing is making it better. What? If you guys have a solution, please let me know. Two list and compare them. Is it going to be like O3 and like I think like if I make first list, second list, O n, and then compare them O3n anyways, right? It's not like reaching like O2n level. That's like my aim is. That's where good fun will be. I think it can't reach O2n. It will end up like in this area. It is fine. Wait, O n log n. O n log n sort first one. Wait. Wait, no. What? O n log n. If I'm sorting the first one, that takes O n log n. I take the second one n log n, right? And I compare. Isn't comparison of two also like then will be O fucking n as well? So won't it be like isn't it that if I'm sorting two and then comparing? How is this better than what I did in the start? You guys have a log n factor as well. Yeah, like it will reduce to like basically this will become O n log n and mine will be O n. No, but like, I'm confused. Wait, like, Ghost, quick question, brother. I'm actually like want your help then. N log n is bigger and 2 is constant. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, just try it, sure. But like mathematically, because it can like problem is if even if milliseconds come better in this case, right? Now my problem would that be is that milliseconds can change, right? Because it's based on the server. They are running AWS server. Sometimes it's more free than others. But yeah, okay. Let me just sort these two then. Yeah, right. Like yeah. And they sorted. Okay, yeah. This might be. I'm just like being an idiot. This yeah, like in the sense what I'm saying. O3 and have to stop like going behind. Yeah, I'm actually looking for solutions which are around this time. Runtime 3 milliseconds. Python count one, counter two. Okay. I didn't know I could see other people's solution. That's actually pretty cool. How is this faster? This will have to count so many times. Dude, this is bullshit. I'm proud of my answer. I'll take everything back. I'm proud of my answer. I'm closing these tabs. But you at least like you guys understand what like because my I'll tell you this right. When you're going for interviews for big companies, you are explaining your code, right? Whatever code you written, you did your job. You wrote the code. Whatever code you have written, milliseconds doesn't matter. What matters is you are able to explain that what is the big O notation of it, the complexity, the specifically the time complexity, not even the space one, time complexity. And if let's say a better solution will take time, you can just mention in the space given to you that hey, I would have, if I had more time, I would implement it this way with the time complexity of this, which is much better than the previous one. That's how I got like my completed my first 2 rounds of Amazon, right? AWS. When I was in their Amazon, I don't work for them, but I was in their round. So that's how I did got my 2 rounds cleared. So that's why I'm just thinking of complexity wise because I want to go for like the big companies again. I got lazy in last 3 years, 4 years, and now I want to go back to the game. Yeah, that's all it is. And also, yes, my man Wrench, I will check this game. Let's see if they updated it. I haven't seen the update yet, so just keep the screenshots ready. Hopefully they update a second install. That would be nice. Oh, you have to reach Stone Age actually. You have to play for it for like 5-10 minutes. Then it will update. Even install should update. But that's fine. Yeah. Oh, you are in Stone Age? Hopefully then like in couple of hours I will like email them like that hey, some person has downloaded, 2 people have downloaded it, not updating. I'm about to reach this. I've been just playing around so much. It's just fun. Just keep it on. Keeps working. But good part is, somebody did mention they want like a Raspberry Pi. So if I'm able to hit, let's say, $50-$60 with it, I might be able to give a giveaway on Christmas for Raspberry Pi. And send wherever, like, whoever wins based on that, I can just send. 5 is pretty expensive compared to 4, man. And it got 8 GB RAM. That's awesome. Yeah, that started as a rumor. I remember. So yeah, five Raspberry Pi 5 8 GB 2023 2.5 64 bit quad core ARM processor. Nice. This kit is actually good by the Cana kit. I have 2 of these. Really good quality. I have exactly not this thing. I have very similar to this. I have kit very similar to this. I think it's exactly almost this, but yeah, basically whoever wins will get a Raspberry Pi. Hopefully, I'm able to reach $100 then. That's the goal. I'm able to reach $100. I'm already at 26. Hopefully, able to reach 100 and do a giveaway or whatever you guys want. But hopefully, you are able to see and whatever. You can buy a Raspberry Pi. Yeah. How much is the price of Raspberry Pi in India? Because RAM is almost like twice the price in India for same thing you bought. Price. Dude, that's actually cheaper. Wait, this is 4,200 rupees. If I go CAD to INR, it's costing here almost 100. This is like 6,000. That's crazy, man. And 3 times the price of the RAM you bought. So you bought for 2K, I have to spend 6K for the RAM. It's so crazy. Huh. It's just fine. Okay, never mind. Yeah, that's actually crazy. So next time I come to India, I have to create a bucket list of like things I need. Yeah, all the tech I will just get from India from next on. Maybe coming from China is cheaper. Maybe just get it from China. Ask a friend. Right? It's crazy. Loot macha rakhi hai behan chodo na. It's so like this. I don't know even if it is tariff or what. Can't be tariff. I'm in Canada, not in US. Okay, lads. But I think that's all from my side. Yo, what's up, Ghost? Yo. So that's basically, and if you get from, yeah, Sarojini Nagar, you might even get cheaper. So this is my Discord. Hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Tomorrow morning, Canada morning, so India evening, I will come for some try hack me, and then again tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening I will come. We'll do 2 more problems of Leetcode. One will be 2-sum, which I think is a very important problem, and personally I like doing it, because it just is a good problem to do. The 2-sum one. This is 100% coming, and this is the study plan top 150 interview problems. Here's the link. He will come. He keeps coming. Oh boy. Okay. Going back here, not 2-pointer. We were at hash map. This is good. Matrix didn't have an easy. Okay. So we'll do 2-sum and happy number. Okay. Because it's 11:46 for me, so I have to go to bed so I can come up at 6:30 my time for small stream. But yeah, we'll do 2-sum and we'll do our happy number problem tomorrow for sure. I have done 2-sum, but I think it's a good one to do, right? It's just sometimes good just to do that. Ghost, you were saying something, boss. Sorry I cut you off. Maybe nothing. Maybe. Oh, the ad is going on. Is the ad going on? Oh, the slur. Sorry, man. Yeah, I'm from Delhi, right? Born in Delhi, so little bit comes out like when I see something like that. You know, little happens. I will try not to swear. It's just sometimes this just happens. Sorry. Yeah, lads. I think that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Right, this I mentioned the Discord. Here's the Discord in stream. Is there? On YouTube, here's the Discord. Feel free to reach out to me if you need any help. My DMs are always open, and the great community is there, right? Okay, school with you. Okay. Hey, Panda. Howdy, howdy. Nice. So, yeah, great community. So many cool people. Lots of flex zone thing going on. Oh, hey. You did this. Hold up. Is anagram st string boolean return false const a frequency. Dude, you are doing it in C. What are you talking about? You said 100 beating 100. Of course. Python converts to C. There are evil people in Discord. Oh, I see, I see. Oh, you were busy. Busy, I see. TypeScript? I didn't notice. I just see const and I was like, oh, probably C. I see const, my brain goes to C, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah. TypeScript. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My apologies. Okay. But see, you were not doing in Python. So, yeah. That's it. Well, okay. Thank you so much, lads. Hope you have a great day, a great evening. This has been a fun stream. And I will take your guys' leave. This has been your favorite neighborhood hacker, the sniffer of packets, the breaker of algorithms, censored hacker, signing off with a big bye. Bye, everyone. Hope you guys have a great day. See ya. Bye, Panda. Bye, Range. Bye, Ghost. Bye, Rajeshwar. Peace out, peace out, peace out. Why use Golang? Why use Python when you can Golang? Bye. Have a good night, man. Good night. Or a good day. See ya.